Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So the first one starts off with someone who has pretty long, I'd say about mid-back length hair, and the stylist is cutting it into a bob. Looks like a very blunt cut. So there is the before and there is the after. Nice center part going down the middle. Stylist added a few waves for some texture. So then we see another bob transformation. So she has black hair. Looks like the stylist is cutting the hair to around neck length. So the stylist is also adding in some bangs with this transformation, creating a nice classic Cleopatra style bob. So there is the final result. So the stylist kind of moved the bang over a little bit just to add like a nice little flare and side swept look. This cut is absolutely gorgeous. And then we see someone getting a curly cut. So she ended up getting a curly shag complete with bangs in the front. I love the color of her hair. And then we're going to also see another bob transformation. So she also ended up getting bangs in the front. The stylist is busy adding texture with the curl that he mixed in. And then we see a pixie. So this one features some fuchsia color going on. Oh, she got the split dye trend. Orange on one side, kind of fuchsia purple on the other. Very vivid coloring. So this next transformation looks like it is going to feature some bangs, curtain style. Very nice. The stylist created a nice fresh layered look with that one. And this one looks like it features a nice lob as well as some coloring. Very pretty. The stylist did an amazing job with the color. It's very well blended. And then we see a pixie haircut transformation. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed today's looks, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.